Hello, everyone, and a big welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into something super exciting, life hacks, engineer style, with me, Richard. Have you ever thought about how a software engineer might solve those annoying little problems in everyday life? Like when your phone keeps dying at worst times, or when you are cooking and you realize that you are out of an essential ingredient. Imagine if we could use the same smart tricks that software engineers use for computer glitches to fix these day-to-day hassles. Well, that's exactly what we are going to be exploring in today's video. In this video, we are going to take a fun look at the steps software engineers use to fix these problems and how we can apply them to things like a dying phone battery, a recipe gone wrong, or even planning a birthday party that is starting to feel like a disaster. In the end, you'll see how using logical steps can make your day way better. Let's get started on turning life's annoyance into victories. All right, let's talk about how programmers fix bugs in computer code. Think of it as being a detective in your own life. Here is how it works. First up, we identify the problem. Say you are cooking and suddenly you realize that you are out of a key ingredient. It's frustrating, right? Just like when you're assembling a new gadget and you find out that a part is missing. The first step is to understand exactly what the problem is. Missing ingredients or missing gadget part. Then we figure out what is happening. Why is your phone battery dying so fast? Is it because it's old or there are too many apps running in the background? With our cooking situation, did we forget to check the pantry or did we assume that we already had the ingredient? Finding the cause is super important to solving any problem in itself. Without understanding what the cause of the problem is, I don't think we can be able to actually tackle the problem and solve the issue. Next, we experiment a bit, like tweaking the recipe to make it taste just right by trying different solutions. We might even close some apps on our phone to see if the battery would last. For our cooking situation, we might substitute the missing ingredient for another ingredient and test some of these little changes to see which one works well, right? After experimenting, we can come up with a solution. Maybe you realize that your phone needs replacement, or you need a new battery replacement, or you find a great substitute for your recipe that works even better. Sometimes the simplest solution is the one that saves the day. And guess what? This method isn't just for physical things. It works for planning stuffs too, like birthday parties that is going off track. Now, let's imagine you are planning a birthday party, but things aren't going as planned. Maybe the decorations aren't arriving, or you are worried there won't be enough food for everyone. It's a bit stressful, but also it gives you a chance to get creative. First, we identify the problem. The party planning is eating some snacks. Next, we figure out why. Are the decorations delayed because we ordered them late? Did we underestimate how much food we need? Then it gives us the opportunity to come up with some new ideas. Maybe we can try some homemade decorations or change the party menu to include more filling snacks. We compare these new plans that we've just devised with the original plans. Finally, we figure out what works best. Maybe we learn that starting the party planning earlier and having a backup plan for food makes the party run smoother. Next time, we will even be more prepared. It's not just about following these steps, it's about thinking creatively. Be curious, asking questions like why, what if, and keep trying new things like chef experimenting with recipes. Applying this way of thinking to things like party planning, fixing a gadget, or cooking a meal means being smart, adaptable, and ready to solve problems. Remember, no challenge is too big to tackle. As we wrap up, let's keep in mind that every tricky situation is an opportunity to learn and improve. By using these clever ways of software engineers, you can handle problems with more confidence and fun. Every challenge we overcome makes us smarter, stronger, and more creative. Where will you use these steps in your life? I can't wait to hear your stories, so please share them in the comment section. Let's inspire one another as we turn life's little challenges into big successes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.